Shadim Shari. I have not looked at cybersecurity in a while. Well, I look at them almost daily. I see them on my list. I just don't talk about them on a live stream in a while. First up, PANW. Getting a little bit dicey here. It filled the gap right before Christmas, and then it continued to test and not hold the 100. So I say be very careful. I think if the market break, you can see the 200 in a hurry. Okay, so I would even look at this ref low right here at 178-ish as anything worth testing. Right, so if you are to do any kind of put spread, let's see what the option has to show for next week. Well, it's only monthly option, so that makes it even more difficult since it's only monthly option. I keep forgetting that. I keep forgetting, you know, for it's always weird to see a big stock like Palo Alto have monthly options, because at the end of the day, it's about supplies and demand, right? If not enough people trade options, they don't put out weekly options. It is that simple. The 200 is 168, so let's take a look at 165. Let's take a look. 165. Is there something there? Not much. Okay, not much, but about not much, but it might be worth it. 30 cents, I think so, for $5 spread, way down there, going out 2 weeks. I like that. Okay, so doesn't seem like a lot, but to me, yeah, 30 cents, and it's way below. Give you plenty of protection, right? That's a key. You get the 200 to defend it. And even this, okay, so if it breach the 200, then ref low is around 164.5-ish, right? So yeah, I mean, if I sell a spread at 165, 160 for 30 cents, I do feel comfortable that there is sufficient protection, but 2 weeks, okay? So it's not like a no-brainer. I'm not saying that, oh God, that's easy. I say it's worth giving serious consideration. That's what I'm saying. CrowdStrike. I think all these charts look going to be the same. Now, testing the 50, holding for now, but would I do that? No. For me, you see this gap fill right here, lining up, confluence with the 100 MA, that's the spot. Okay, so if I were to sell a put spread, let's see if it's anything 305 and below, if it's worth it. Okay, now this one does have, I believe, it does have weekly options. And did I? Okay. What was it again? 305. But next week, not bad. Yeah, I like that. Now, based on that, a 305, 302.5. If you were to do a 305, you get maybe 25 cents for a 305, 300. Okay, so less premium than the Palo Alto, but you got way more protection, way more. Okay, I think technically this feel like a better setup because of the gap fill. All right, so 305, 300 spread for 25 cents. That might be worth it. Outright buying share might be decent at the confluence of the gap up low and the 200 MA. See, so everything's lining up nicely here for CrowdStrike, but I like it. I like buying it outright at the gap fill as well. Selling puts spread below and buy outright at the gap fill for sure. Z-scale. Testing the ref low here. Okay, so can it come down to the 157? Yeah. 157, probably not enough juice. Let's see, 155. Yeah, it's nothing there. Too far away. Too far away. Okay, too far away. Now, if I were to use this ref low is potentially the low, so make it one, instead of like trying to do 155, how about 165? Still not much, okay? Not much. It's 23 cents. Yeah, it's not much. If 23, if a spread like that is basically, you'll get maybe a dime to do a 160, 165, 160. Yeah, it's not worth it. That's definitely not. Would I consider buying shares down here? Yeah, I would buy some share at 165-ish, down to 155-ish. It would be a no-brainer to buy at this white line here. Okay, that's the line. Snow. Definitely no touch here. Okay, Snow had a great pop on earning. Yeah, that was very nice. Of course, I was not in it. I was playing the put spread game for a long time over here. Did not own any share outright. I think whatever share I had outright, I dare say that it was gone before October, because I figured October tax loss dumping would not make it even worse. So I'm pretty sure I don't have any share going into October. I was playing the put spread game down here, and then it took off. Now, gap fill. 130 put spread would work, right? Because you have the gap fill, you have all the protection above, and the gap fill. So to me, 130. Is there any juice? 130? Not really. Not really. Okay, not really. If you go out 2 weeks, let's see what happens when you go out 2 weeks. Still not much. Okay, 20 cents. No. The spread would be a dime. No, that's not much. So for me, be patient with Snow is the final verdict. Long way to go. Long way down. Fortinet, the strongest of the bunch. Strongest of the bunch. I don't have anything here. Similar to Snow, got a massive pop on earning, and then basically gave up half, roughly, right? You can see from top to bottom, top, halfway, yeah. And for those that seriously want it, then you should do a fib. Okay, they should do a fib, which I will do right here for you. If you want to do a fib, boom, boom, boom. There you go. There's your fib. If ref low is not holding, 50 not holding, then I think 23.6 fib lining up with the next ref low is a decent spot, right? Line up almost perfect to the penny. So would an 85 80 spread seemed like a decent risk taking thing. Let's see what's next week looks like. 85. Not it's garbage. How about 2 weeks out? 85. Nah, that's still garbage. Okay, it's still not enough. So the verdict is it might be worth buying share at 89.66, or better yet, if you're patient, aim for the 100 MA. Okay, that's if it come down. If this is tested, then I think the 85-80 puts is gonna have juice, but it's a long way. It's a long way from currently 94-ish to come down to 89. Okay, so it's a long way. My advice, if you have it, set your stop. Okay, raise your stop. I would raise it all the way to 92.7. Ref low. I'm not gonna wait for the 50 MA. Last one. OKTA. Now this is looking interesting, right? For those that follow, the last time I talked about OKTA was up here, right? On this earning pop, I said it's time to go. I'm pretty sure I talked about it because it's lined up with the channel. Right now it's midway, right? If you want to buy at the gap fill, that might be a potential. Let's see what kind of juice there is at 72 as far as puts. 72, not bad, okay? Not bad. If you can get a 72.570 for 15 cents, okay? 29 and 14, that's the spread. Going out 2 weeks, that's not bad. And you have this ref low to protect you. Okay, so, and I wouldn't mind if I do this put. I wouldn't mind, because I wouldn't mind buying 100 share down here in this range of bottom that it bounced a couple times. So sure, can it drop all the way down to this gray zone down here? That would be a definite yes. Okay, so if there is a market meltdown, sure, the first nibble might be at the gap fill, but I think that's still high risk, right? Given that if the market pull back, the overall market pull back, you can see ref low tested, you can see even this bottom of the channel tested, and that would be a very good spot to buy. See, this gray zone here is the floor going back 2 years. 2 years floor. Okay, so, and it's lining up nicely with this channel low. So that's it. Have a good Friday. Hopefully everything will not be crazy as far as the market today. Who knows? As of right now, I can see that Bitcoin, as you can see, is down. So watch out. Watch out.